Hey friends, I'm back to Poland after a trip to Algeria. I made a video before going to Algeria, like packing my backpack, and when I was editing it, I thought that there are many things that I took and that I didn't like or they were not useful, so I will be commenting only on the bad things because I like to criticize myself. So to keep the video short, I will not be commenting on the things that were good or were useful. If I didn't mention anything about them, so it means that they were super useful during my trip. I hope you enjoy! Hey friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Amina and I'm going to Algeria in 2 days. Alright, let's start. First thing first, I need to remove these from the view because these are just gifts. In Air France, you have the right for 2 luggage, one personal item and the other one hand luggage. So the personal item should be 40 centimeters high. Next time I will not be taking sweets from Poland. I took a lot of cookies and etc. because they ended up squeezed and crushed. And this really inspired me to make another video about Polish souvenirs to take with you. I will be having a check-in luggage. This check-in luggage is not mine, it's my sister who wanted to send some her stuff to Algeria, so she's having a check-in luggage and I'm going to take a little advantage of it because I have some cosmetics that I didn't want to buy the mini version of it. I will never take a luggage that is more than 20 kilos again because it limited our freedom of movement. Taking a bus was a struggle. So first thing first, my SPF. I know that I can buy there in Algeria, but I love this brand. I still have half of it. My moisturizer, because I moisturize every night. Some cosmetics that's just additional, really additional. I use the moisturizer not that much as I used the sunscreen. So next time I would just put it in a smaller tube instead. And it would take much less space. I only took a serum because I thought, oh, it will expire within 3 months after opening, so I need to use the most of it. But next time I will definitely stay with the basics, soap, moisturizer and the sunscreen. Toothpaste as well. I don't want to buy a small one because it's more expensive and I have the chance to have a check-in luggage, so I will be taking a full tube. As I said, I can buy it in Algeria, but as I have it, why do I need to buy another one? Just my combs. I could take only one comb, I really didn't need two. I'm not taking a shampoo because I know if I'm taking a shampoo, I will be in a home. Maybe I will be hosted or anything. So it means that they would have a shampoo and I'll not be shy to ask if they can borrow me 20 milliliters of shampoo. So I will not be carrying that weight. Except for these, I need to take them with me because these are my personal items and I cannot find the ones that I want in every household. For shampoo, I really don't care much. Then hand sanitizer, gel for cleaning my hands. When we will be walking, I will be taking always this one. I only used this soap once or twice. I believe a bar soap was far more useful, and I have used the bar soap, which I didn't mention here, for cleaning my clothes as well, so it was really more useful. Scissors and these. I'm not taking a lot because I will not be in the wild for, I don't know, more than 1 week. I will buy if I need any. Then we go to this one from Decathlon. I don't remember the price, to be honest. I will be putting here my camera. I'm so lucky that it fit here. Then my multi output. This will be very useful, especially at the airport or any place where we just find one plug. More efficient than putting one thing to charge and waiting for the other. That this charger heats up a lot when charging 2 phones at the same time, so I used it only when necessary. Next time I think I will need to buy another one. My notes, I wrote here the transportation from the airport Charles de Gaulle to Orly, because maybe I will not be having internet, maybe my phone would die, anything that can happen. So I wrote all the details here, the station, at what time and etc. because we have one cheap bus, 3 cheap buses that we need to take if we want to save 10 euros each. But this is not my journal. This is just to write phone numbers and etc. With my pen, my earphones, some pictures. I need some documents to do, so I need them. I'm done with this one. Let's talk about this one. This is a very simple 40-liter bag that I took from Algeria when I came to Poland for the first time. I am waiting today for another backpack to come. I have ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 backpacks. I ordered them one by one, and I was checking them, and all of them did not pass the test. I believe that if I want to spend a lot of money in a backpack, I want it to be perfect. I don't want to settle in for any expensive backpack and I'm like, after 1 year I'm like, I don't really want it. And I ended up with a new backpack that I couldn't film, but you will be seeing it definitely in my vlogs about Algeria. As I said, this is a very simple one. There are no compartments here for the sleeping bag. There aren't any pockets here, so it's not really the best, but I can have it in case I don't receive my backpack. Algeria will be warm and here it's very cold, so I will be having my sandals not every day. I will be walking with my shoes, and then if I want to have a rest from my shoes, I can have these, and these I can take a shower with in case it's raining. It's not a big of a deal, they can be wet. Yeah, and they are from Decathlon. I have them for 3 years and they are still good. Then in the front I'm having my sunglasses, which are 400 nm, I guess. 400 UV, they block completely the UV, and it is important to protect your eyes. I also put a pack of cards of Uno because I know I will be with friends and I need to be entertained. I finished by not taking Uno, and I found other creative ways to play. Zach, if you're here, you can comment about that. Yeah, so I didn't miss it. We have here a pocket where I put my power bank. I'm not sure about the power of this one because details were removed here, but it charges for so long and I can charge multiple times. It's really good. I don't know the brand, I'm so sorry. I will be having my toiletry bag, my toothbrush, tongue scraper, deodorant, a floss that I already have. I can have smaller one and reusable, but for now I have this one and I will take it. Antiseptic in case of any minor injury, some bandage, nail clipper. Now we go to the main compartment, which is, as I said, a whole one, so you need to take everything from the top. I have 2 baths, one for my head, one for my throat in case it is cold. Also, if it is cold, I can cover my head like this. I use it a lot like this while running in winter, and also it could be a nice thing to put like this at night. And there are many uses of this in case I am so sweaty, I can remove the sweat. I have 2 hats. I know this is maybe extreme, one like this when I would be doing an activity in the city, maybe running, maybe just walking, and this one for when it is so sunny, or maybe in Sahara. I will be having this one to cover everything. A scarf. Last time when I went to Tunisia and Algeria many times, I needed to cover my hair and my things because some tourist attractions, tourist places needed you to have a scarf and cover yourself. And also, more I go to the south, more it is expected for women to cover up. Rain jacket. This is also from Decathlon, very cheap. Microfiber towel. This is a short one. Not short, but it is medium size. It's not that small. It dries very fast. And I'm taking our first babies. So these are the ones that we are so excited to try. These are new sleeping mats. We are replacing our roll mat with these. These are 300 zlotys. More expensive, but we expect to have a good night's sleep. Our back will be happy. This is from the brand Climate. Very lightweight. It's 530 grams. Very lightweight. We tested it just at home and we can't wait to try it in Algeria. I'm holding two. One for me, one for my husband, because he's taking the tent. Then my underwear. I am taking 3 long, not very long, medium height socks, which are 2, they are for running and they are very fast to dry. The other one, regular one, just to change up. And these ones are wool socks. I underestimated how warm it will be in Algeria, so I never needed to use these wool socks. Panties, also 3. Some kind of bra. I don't know why I'm taking this, because sometimes you need a bra, but I don't use bras. For my lower part, I am taking 3 pants, 1 shorts. This I can use them for walking. I'm not sure I will be using them a lot for walking. I think I will be shy having my legs exposed there and having the eyes of man there. Yeah, it is. I remember myself there walking with shorts, and you can get a lot of comments, but maybe I will be I can be swimming with them, I can be hiking with them, but not in the city. I will not be having these in the city. I took other shorts in addition to these, which I wore in the north, and these black ones, I kept them as shorts as pajamas. These are long for the city. They are not that too warm. They don't absorb the sweat, so they can dry very quickly, and they are lightweight. I wore them in very high temperatures and I didn't feel hot in them. These leggings are for sleeping, and also if in case it is cold, I will be putting them under these. So I'll be layering. Only 3. I'm sure that I will be buying some stuff there, maybe a personal item like a nice trousers or a dress. So yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot, this is a bra for swimming. For the upper body, I took 5. Let me explain. 2 for walking. These are polyester, I believe. They are meant for running and for physical activity, but I will be having them for walking as well, because the sweat will be dried and expelled very quickly, and they are lightweight. And then I have 2 long sleeves. One is a fleece shirt, and one is as well, I believe, polyester. It's for running. In case it is too cold, I will be having first a t-shirt, then this polyester sleeves, long sleeves, and then a fleece, and then a jacket, because it will be cold in Poland and in France. So, and I need to take a bus from Charles de Gaulle to Orly. I'll be wearing these. This pyjama is from cotton, and it is from my company. I didn't want to put on this during the day, because first of all it is black, and second of all it has a rainbow, and I'm not sure if people will be still open-minded to this truth. And last but not least, for the clothes, my cycling jacket. This one is windproof. I don't think it's waterproof, but I have a raincoat. It's from Rogelli. It is pink from the inside. Pink is not my favorite color, but as long as it's not extremely pink from the outside, I'm okay with it. It is thick as well, not that thick, but also lightweight. It has also pockets from behind. I can have, usually I have my phone here. Then I also put here some documents. I will not only be there for holidays. The last thing at the bottom that you should always put at the bottom is your sleeping bag or a quilt. Mine is from Decathlon. It is still a huge space that it takes. I want to upgrade. I'm looking at Adam at the same time, so maybe I can get his attention and he would buy for me a better one. And he's not looking. Anyway, it's like for 5 degrees. I slept with it when it was 3 degrees in the mountains and I didn't feel cold. I felt good with it. 1 kilo and 200 grams. And that's it. Now my bag is so empty. I don't believe I took that much. I took even less than my first time. First time my backpack was dragging down and it was horrible. I was taking a lot of weight because remember, you will not only be taking your clothes, you will be also packing your food, snacks, gifts from people or anything that you want to buy like as a souvenir. So you'll be everything with you will be on your back. Now I will be waiting for the next backpack that I will be receiving hopefully today, and I will either continue this video with that packing everything in that new backpack, or I will just pack everything back to this one. Alright, thank you for watching and I shall see you in the next video. It would be a vlog going from Poland to Algeria. Take care, bye! Here one thing I did not think of was painkillers and stomach medicine. I never complained about illness during my travels, but this time, oh my god, I was sick 3 times and once I really needed painkillers. I couldn't handle the pain. So I ended up buying it from a pharmacy at the airport. So I highly recommend taking at least 2 painkillers and 2 stomach medicine. What do you think, guys? I am so happy with what I take. I was so inspired as well by the ultra light minimalist hikers. I was watching their videos like 1 month, a full month before my trip, and yeah, and my backpack was only 9 kilos. I know it's not perfect, but I'm getting there. I didn't mention in that video some items that I took last minute, which were like earrings, necklace, flashlights, which were useful, and my running trail shoes, which are more for cold, raining weather. I thought that it would be cold in Algeria. I don't know, I forgot how it's like in Algeria really, so I didn't use them at all. I was just walking with my sandals all the time. So yeah, it was really bulky with those shoes. Next time I will not take them in October to Algeria. I'm curious, what do you take from Poland to your friends and family who are living abroad as a souvenir? This will really help me in making the video about the souvenirs from Poland. And the sun is rising. Yesterday it was so cloudy and now the sun is shining. It's 8 AM and I need to go to work. Take care of yourselves. Papa. I have a big head, but you can look, babe. But I saw this trick on the internet. You can have it like a beanie. Yeah, but it is so short. I need to cover my ears. This is not for me, but this is how I use it. So the first use is to have it here and cover my nose and my mouth.